Number 1. 1973 Ford Maverick 2-door coupe, $3,500, Bremerton, Washington. This 1973 Ford Maverick is a lightweight 70s compact upgraded with a 1968 Ford 302 cubic inch 5.0-liter V8, making it a unique and affordable muscle-era project. Originally equipped with an inline 6-cylinder, this pre-emissions V8 offers higher compression and improved performance. It features a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, Edelbrock aluminum intake, HEI ignition, rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, and a clean title. With 169,000 miles and included exhaust parts, this Maverick is a solid early-stage project with good potential. Number 2. 1975 Chrysler Cordoba Coupe, $2,500, Irvine, California. This 1975 Chrysler Cordoba delivers classic mid-70s personal luxury with a 360 cubic inch V8 engine and automatic transmission. Purchased from the first owner, it shows very low original mileage at 24,137 miles. The original interior remains in great condition, highlighting the Cordoba's comfort-focused design. Finished in yellow with rear-wheel drive and a clean title, this car runs great and represents a rare survivor at an entry-level price. Number 3. 1963 Buick Riviera, $5,000, Cottonwood, California. The 1963 Buick Riviera is a respected design icon powered by the legendary Nailhead V8 and Dynaflow automatic transmission. This example has a solid body but needs driver's side front floor repair. It is not running, with the transmission removed, and includes 2 Dynaflow transmissions. The odometer is broken, but the car has a clean title in the seller's name. It is a strong restoration or custom project with excellent collector appeal. Number 4. 1949 Chrysler Royal Windsor Sedan, $8,000, Burbank, California. This 1949 Chrysler Royal Windsor is a well-kept post-war sedan that runs and drives properly. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and manual transmission, it shows 77,000 miles and has a clean title. The paint, body, and interior remain clean for their age. It also includes spare parts, original accessories, historical photos, and period literature, making it a well-documented classic. Number 5. 1953 Jeep Willys Overland Pickup, $9,500, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1953 Jeep Willys Overland Pickup is a classic 4-wheel drive truck powered by a 4-cylinder engine and manual transmission. It runs and drives but needs tuning and has minor leaks. The body and frame are rust-free with patched floorboards. Numerous new mechanical components have been added, making this Willys a solid vintage utility truck with strong off-road heritage. Number 6. 1965 Cadillac Sedan Deville, $7,900, Redlands, California. This 1965 Cadillac Sedan Deville runs and drives perfectly and is very clean inside and out. It features an automatic transmission, gasoline engine, and shows 10,000 miles. Fully loaded with power steering, power brakes, power windows, power door locks, and power seats. It also has a new interior, new vinyl roof, no rust, a clean title, and non-operational registration status. Number 7. 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe, $7,500, Nolanville, Texas. This 1984 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS has 91,777 miles and is powered by a mild 355 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The car runs and drives great and is an enjoyable cruiser. Air conditioning components and trim are included. Finished in gray with rear-wheel drive and a clean Texas title, this SS offers strong performance with future restoration potential. Number 8. 1975 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, $28,000, Surrey, British Columbia. This 1975 Chevrolet Camaro is a rare low-mileage survivor with 13,400 original miles. It features a factory LM1 350 cubic inch V8, 4-barrel carburetor, turbo 3-speed automatic transmission, and 3.08 rear end. The car retains original paint, houndstooth interior, factory air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, and full documentation, making it an exceptional second-generation Camaro. Number 9. 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sedan, $12,000, Atherton, California. This all-original 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass shows only 41,000 miles and has had 2 owners. Always stored indoors and never driven in the rain, it is powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Fully loaded and running like new, it has 0 rust, intact original equipment, and a clean title, making it a true late 70s survivor. Number 10. 1964 Pontiac Bonneville Vista, $13,900, Cassopolis, Michigan. This 1964 Pontiac Bonneville Vista is a one-family-owned full-size classic powered by a high-compression V8 engine and automatic transmission. With only 15,000 miles, It runs extremely strong and remains in excellent condition. Known for comfort and performance, this Bonneville offers low mileage originality and strong collector appeal.